Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and dive with practical in this tutorial how to terminate a permanently iCloud activation lock, or how do you unlock when your iPhone locked to honor, or how do you go for termination permanently this activation lock when your iPhone device is trapped or stuck on iCloud activation lock. Right now, as we see here, it's saying that phone was in a lost, erased something, and of course, activation lock prevent anyone who is not owner from using this device or unlock this device into your Apple ID and password. If you see on this iCloud, sorry, on iTunes, it's saying that this phone was on a lost and erased. Enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. So if you don't know, or either its device is in blacklisted or a stolen mode or lost mode, how do you get rid of it? See guys, when I open this iTunes, after assessing all the data, it's saying that it's in a phone lock to honor. So right now, as we see here guys, on this device has been connected with this PC. Now right now here, as we see on, we cannot operate iTunes as well as this device because here we don't know anything about this device. So let's learn step by step without doing a jailbreaks how do you, and of course I assure you 100% after executing all the tricks and procedure at the end of it, we will see here by using either iTunes or manually this device. Of course, we will get an opportunity to generate or create new Apple ID and password on this device. So let's start guys. But watch carefully and don't comment that I'm unable to execute. It's a manual with the help of computer. So for it, firstly you need a iTunes, then of course we need a 3U tool, so this tool, and third one we need a here imaging tool. So these all tool we will open here. Fine. With the help of this 3U tool, what we will do guys here, let me go with this, got it. See 3U tool on here, we will click on a smart flash. Now see guys here, yes I know this is on here. Let me minimize this ones and see imaging tool is still not connected guys, so I will have to connect this one. Is fine, but be careful guys, SIM shouldn't be inside, especially on this device. If it is in a lost or of course erased or it has been stuck on a special iCloud activation. So now once again we will see here. So now it came here, see 11 Pro Max, fine. If we come on a 3U tool on a here, see we will go on here to this one. See sometimes if not going to, now see here, suppose here we will see beta version we need to download. Currently we see on this device iOS is a 13.3 is currently functional or it's on this device, but here we will not go with these versions. If we have a chance to go with this beta version, then of course definitely we will go with beta version. So I will click on a smart flash and of course here is a beta version. So I will click to refresh and of course directly we will start to a download. So right now see guys, it has started to a download. Sometimes if this server is going to give you error, in that condition of course we have another options. Come on this website guys, IPSW. See right now we will write here IPSW and of course we will click. Yeah, this link I will give you below the description box. If you're interested, then directly you can add on this. Now see guys here, what we will do here, Just we will select the model number. So let's start a model number. This one we will select. Now see here, we have a chance to add on. So directly we can here, see, go with this one. So it's a thing that you have already downloaded this ones for saving a time. Of course, I have already downloaded it. So on this website, of course, you can directly access to download it. If in a case 3U tool is giving you error here. So here right now, see guys, directly click delete it, and of course now we have a chance here to import it also. So in a download options, of course we have kept this one. So now it has started to verify. While verifying here, just we will come on this imaging tool, we will go in a show the console. This one we have to clear. So now see guys, here I have started to clear all the console. Why it's necessary? Because of whatever the old data on this device is available or remained residuous particle that we need to clear guys. Otherwise, of course, Apple server easily cache to, especially that it is linked with one Apple ID, and it will demand to enter your Apple ID and password. That's what used to set up this device. So in that condition, in this case, we don't know. So of course, we will clear it the after 2 to 3 minutes. So right now, see guys here. Let me clear. So now see it's accumulating here guys. As we see, it's getting all the consoled old data, and of course it's going to clear. We will come on this one. Now see it's imported fine. Then of course we will choose here retain user data. We don't choose this ones. We want to go with the quick flash and CNT and fixed flash. So of course we will choose this one, quick flash. Why? Because if we choose their retain user data, sorry, imaging tool is notifying that we need to clear. Yes, fine, I will clear it. Where it is, this one control. Yeah, now I cleared. Almost we have reached here guys to clear. Let's see, actually now we will come on here. We will choose this quick flash mode, so all the data will not be remained. Whatever data is available or of course remain on this device. So now here of course we will go with the cancel this and this console. Of course I am clearing, so let me clear. Now it's a time to see. If we see here this one, it's on a keep it this iTunes on a similar condition. Now we will come on this here and we will click on a toolbox. In a toolbox we will go with this crash analysis, and in a crash analysis, let's see if it is giving you something, then of course we will attempt to delete. So now see here it's given. So just I mean we don't have a here to delete these ones. See, yes, it has taken guys, fine. And this panics, this one also we need to, sorry guys, this imaging tool has notified we need to clear this console. Fine, once again. Now see in a crash files, this one panic, this one we need to delete. Fine, this gone. Once again we will try to delete this ones. This one also deleted, and these ones. Wow, done guys here. Now directly what we will do here, simply we will come in a put this device into the REC mode. So now see guys, it's going in a REC mode. Still not here. See, yeah, now it came here. If we see on a iTunes, yes, iTunes has been here. Now see, let me cancel this ones. Now see, this Amazon tool is also saying that it's in a, So firstly, now we will come on here and once again we will clear. So now see, almost we have a cleared, guys, and date of today actually that's cam. So now we can directly cancel, and of course we will cut it. So now see, we have a close this imaging tool. Now here, don't go with any options, just cut it from here, and of course we have already selected here. We will click on a flash. We have options, this one that I have already imported, and this one we will select the quick flash mode and we will attempt to. Here is a thing that backup don't go for, and now see here, it has started to extract all the firmware. Seam shouldn't be inside there, guys, and of course one thing more, data cable should be a good quality, and along with especially internet connections should be especially connected with your PC or laptop. Otherwise, of course, in the midst of that we will get error, and if we get error, then of course maybe chances to stuck your device on a Apple logo as well as on a recovery or iTunes logo. So be alert for it. Internet connections should be connected, especially in your PC or laptops. So this is a manual method. With the help of computer, with the help of PC or laptops, you can execute this procedure. So it has started to, but of course we will see after when it will exited, or of course the exit from this recovery mode, and when it will start to reload. Now it has started to sending the Apple all the especially data. So see here, iTunes, it has been right now, of course, let it cut it, of course not required now here, and this one of course BBC on a 80% is it's done. So now it has started to especially. So this video will be a lengthy guys, I know, but what we can guys here, so you will have to wait here guys, otherwise, and of course it will take 5 to 10 minutes approximately, and then of course and upon we will get one to trick we need to execute at the end of according to the situation. So watch carefully. I'm not going to cut it, of course, because not required to cut it. Otherwise, of course, you maybe suspect that this video is edited, yeah, etc, etc. So that's why actually I know video is going to be a lengthy, but don't worry, watch carefully and then execute. I assure you 100% you will get good result, and absolutely 100% is you will be able to terminate, not for temporary time, it will be for permanent, because we don't jailbreak here. Without doing a jailbreaks, without any chargeable apps and application, of course we are trying to this one, and via this method of course I have actually unlocked more than 100 actually devices especially that belongs to the Apple's family. So now right now on a 20%, of course we will have to wait, and of course we will see here what's the result is coming. Sometimes server error due to of course some of the device give errors, especially while operating or while actually doing this all procedure. But let's see on this device what's going to happen here. On iTunes, as we see, it's disconnected. Not I'm not going to do with this one, and of course I have actually exited from uh, imaging tool. So this one, now why I have exited guys after clearing the console, because it will be or working load especially on this PC will not be much more, so that freely this one will reduce in time, and of course accuracy will come. So because multiple software when I open one time, then of course we need a more RAM, and of course the SSD show in this case especially I don't have. So that's why actually I decided to close off, because almost imagine tool, especially its works actually I had actually finished, so that's why also I close up this one. So now here 33% is, and it's a finishing. Let's wait a 70% is more, guys. Approximately 15 minutes spent especially on this device. But see, we will have to wait, guys, here. And of course, at the end of, if it is going to be successfully executed, then we will try to generate this, especially on this device, as a new Apple ID and password manually also, and with the help of iTunes. With the help of iTunes, that will be so much easy. But when it was on, especially this phone was locked to honor on that condition, or in this case especially, we cannot generate any Apple ID and password new one, especially with the help of iTunes or manually. But now we will see here. So 38% is, it will take time, but don't worry. Forty-seven, 40, 50, 50. Now it's quickly doing. Now it has started to sending the firmware updated data files. Right now, see, guys, this one's iTunes is not connected, so we can close it to have a much more efficiency on this tool. So I have closed this one also, and of course this browser also we can close, so that quickly works on this, because there will be no multiple actually application are opened. So that's why actually now it's waiting on a 60%, but see what will happen. And see, guys, one thing more I would like to tell you here. If you're facing any problem, issues, or query or confusions, then of course, blindly add a query below the comment box. Definitely, it will be my pleasure to reply according to your query in course of time. Definitely, I would reply. And see, guys, directly don't say so that we can do it from here of your any device. No, this cannot be possible. It's a manual method with the help of computer, guys. So I'm not going to do by passing with the help of server. Just here, this is a manual method with the help of computer, and three all tool link I will give you below the description box. And imagine tool, just of course a trial version that can also, just we need to that clear the only when the console, especially from this device. So that's why three I'm imaging tools that will be enough for trial versions. Now see here, it has been stuck on 60%, but we will see here for checking it. Just let me check it out. Internet connection is working or not? Because if it is not working, then of course definitely no, it's working. So check it out in a midst of internet connection. Otherwise, if your internet connection is not connected with your laptop or PC or computer, in that condition you will get an error there. And when you get an error, then once again the whole procedure you will have to execute from initial stage. Now it has reached on 80%. Let's see. Almost we have done, guys. 20% is we need here, but we will wait and watch carefully. Don't disconnect a mist of proceeding this process. 3U tool, imaging tool, plus of course iTunes, all the tool links, plus IPSW website links, and that one also I will give you below the description box. If you're initialized according to your device, go for selection of the IPSW. That IPSW will recommend either by a 3U tool, or of course you can go with especially that website that I shown you. And similar step procedure you need to execute. 90% is fine, we have done. Approximately, guys, it will take a half an hour, I think. But don't worry, without doing a jailbreaks, with the help of jailbreaks, it can be possible within a 10 minute of course. But without jailbreak, of course, it will take a time. It's still on a 91 percentage. Let's see what's going to happen. Sometimes due to server, of course, it will get, but don't worry. Now waiting for metadata means almost we will complete. Don't worry, guys. And see, especially from 5S to 11, 12, 13, 13 Pro Max, and 14, 14 Pro Max, of course, on every device this can be applicable. And see, guys, if you get a Vita version, then of course that will be more chances. 99% you will be able to complete it. So now see here, it's a saying that congratulations, clean has been completed, or flush has been completed. So now don't do anything, guys. Just we will come on we will wait and watch when the 3U tool will notify to you that your device has been once again rebooted and connected. Then of course we need to execute a two-way strategy, guys. Here that is a very important for us. So now see, 3U tool is notifying, and of course it has started to reboot. Here see, guys, this is a saying that notification is of course connected, but now as we see here, guys, it's a saying that this Pro Max has been connected here. So I will click on OK. I will come on this here. So now see here, we will come on a toolbox. In a toolbox, we will try to here deactivate this one. So right now see, guys, it's not highlighted, and it's saying that device is not activated. So see, guys, right now we will have to wait and watch when it will be rebooted. Then of course let it complete rebooting full mode, then of course it will be highlighted. So now see, it's saying that link to owner is still it's having here, but we are not going to do anything. In that condition, what we will do, guys, here just we will try to click on here once again and see it's not a highlighted. In that condition, of course, use a similar VPN here, same country of this cell zones. This is very important things here, guys, that's I would like to tell you. Right now see, still it's having error, it's not highlighted. Fine, just we will go with this option, reboot device once again. After Of course, virtual private network adding of the similar country might be due to server. We are getting a little bit error, but don't worry, guys. Let it reboot firstly. So see here, yes, now it's rebooting. So now see guys, here it's rebooting. Once again, we will try to wait on here. So let it firstly notify that device has been connected or not. Yes, it's saying that now it's going to connect. So here, now see here, still it's having error, guys. Still it's having, there is no fine in that condition. See, let me, this one's, it's not highlighted, so might be I will disconnect and we will connect here, guys. Otherwise I know that maybe sometimes due to error of the server it will take much more time. It's the thing doesn't create, might be a, I don't know what's error. So in that condition, if it is not going to be highlighted, then directly can I had to batch, sorry, batch this one's mode. Yes, it's highlighted, guys. Fine, let's wait and watch, guys. Activation and this whole procedure, if it is going to skip, then let's open on the other hand this one, iTunes. Might be a little error of on a server. Now see, it's saying what's still assessing a data. Let's see, and it's skipping, and this one still having error, guys. Might be a little bit, maybe internet. Let me check it out. Internet is working or not. Now internet is not a little bit working, that's why especially. So be alert, guys, here when your internet is not going to work, then that's why. So let it cut. I don't know why internet, maybe data. Fine, now it will works internet. Let's see. I don't know, guys. Yeah, now internet is working. So now see, guys, it has been here. Seam is not inside, so let me this one once again. I had this one and we will go with this ones. Let's once again to deactivate whatever is inside there. So now see, fine. Now once again what we will do, simply I will come on this batch activations, and once again we will try to, so that iTunes will assessing a data. Now see, once again couldn't be activated, still on iTunes having error, guys. But don't worry, guys, we will retrieve this one. It's happening due to, actually I have a connected here internet of similar country of this one, so that's why, don't worry. We will come once again on iTunes. Let me open this ones. Let me check it out. Is fine. It's saying that connect to your PC. Yeah, fine, it's done, guys. Let me check it out here. Yes, now iTunes is saying the welcome to a new one, so I will go with this ones. Now of course directly don't go with sign in, just we will try to here to sign in, and we will create new Apple ID and password. So internet connection, check it out guys, otherwise you will have the problem. See, this name is a coming because of my PC actually name is a yeah, this one's my PC name is a coming, so that's why actually here coming this one, but don't worry, let me check it out. See, there is no lock, and if I connect, so it's saying that to connect your anything. So firstly we will check it out, SIM card is going to works or not. So I will insert a SIM card here, then of course we will try to connect a actual here Wi-Fi SIM card network. Let me check it out, it is going to works or not. Here I will go for here, enter the password of Wi-Fi. Let me check it out once again. No, network cam here finally guys on C, mobile network cam. Let me check it out, network is it's working or not. It's still saying that file, maybe in a, let me check it out. We will have to fix everything here. Now see here, we can create a new Apple ID and password, no problem at all, according to your own crystallization, and go with via selections. This one is strategy. Now I would like to fix actually this here. Let me check it out. By see, it's a successfully done, so no problem at all. We can close it, and of course now see here, I have to check this one. Let me close this one, let me close this ones. We need to check it out. Yeah, network finally cam guys here, so no problem, SIM card will works on this device definitely. We will have to generate a new ID, then it will works maybe. Let me check it out here. We will have to create here, so we will, what we will do guys here, we will come on here once again, and we will try to reboot this device once again. So these things, if the network is not coming inside there, or SIM card is not going to works the proper way, then you will have to go with this strategy. Yeah, SIM card, let's fix it. Yes, fine, we will come in here once again, we will try to yes, now done guys. See, it's completed. Yes, now network is fully functional. See, let me have sound. Yes, we will try to once again. Yes, it's working. So see guys, here SIM card is also fully functional, and there is no network, there is no any ID inside there, so directly you can create according to your own crystallization any ID and password by a virtue of iTunes, and that can be also possible, and directly you can manually here you can set up. If you say don't have, then of course we will get an opportunity to create a new Apple ID and password on this device. So now see, on a mobile network it's asking, there is no Wi-Fi has been connected. So while executing this procedure, of course, there should be no SIM card, but after doing that, the SIM card will not be a functional. So in that, after rebooting this status, you need to execute, and of course you will get totally clean. And see guys, if I check it out once again, it's going to be actually on this mode. I mean, just like if I switch on, switch off, and once again if I switch on this device, then it's going to once again trap on that I mean activation lock. We will check it out here. So I would like to show you. Sometimes it happens with the help of some software that charges also, and of course that, as we know, we getting us as kind of the error, because we have gotten so many actually information from our viewers also, that they are getting. Now see here, yes, there is no cloud activation that get a server, so it's a completely free, and of course the blind enjoy this strategy and do unlocks unlimited. This is all about in this video tutorial, guys. I'm sorry for long video, but of course it's working fantastic. More accuracy you will get with the SIM card, also will be a functional. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If it is informative and acknowledgement, then please don't forget like, subscribe and share over this content, because maybe beneficial who are interested to have especially this information to unlock when your device is locked to on. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys.